Hello everybody. Today I'm going to introduce to you is SQL Accounts. It's a very popular software in Southeast Asia and we are from AppsCom Solutions. Why choose SQL Account? I would always like to share with all my clients that we have a very big 3 points. SQL Account is suitable for any type of business. For example, you are in the business of the wholesales, distributor, service provider, retailer, logistic, non-profit organization, construction, engineering, and etc. as well. The service company also can be using, for example, interior design or doing like maybe consultancy company also can use our software. And is also trusted by more than 210,000 companies in the whole Southeast Asia. The SQL account has one very unique function. I will call it SQL account user-defined fields that can be easily altered and customized. Because, for example, think in this way, that you have an invoice layout that you need to do different kind of field. Maybe you got more field than the fixed one. You want to add some of the field that is not inside the system. You can add by yourself. The benefit for SQL account at a glance that is always the 4 points that I want to highlight to all of you. SQL integrated modules, which is integrated from inventory to your sales and purchase, and also your account is all in one. You don't need to import from one software to the other software. For example, you have a one operating software which just do the record for sales and purchase and also inventory, but your accounting software is a separate one. You can all integrate it together. And the best control of the user access right. You can set asset right to your user that maybe this user A only can view, user B can be viewed and edit. And monitor your business performance. You can take a look from your business reports, like for example, I will say that profit and loss, sales report, inventory, you can see your inventory movement report as well. The automatic double entry. You don't need to go and think about what is debit, what is credit. When you enter one invoice, the double entry is automatically posted to all the relevant accounts, for example, like your GL account, like your AR, your sales, and your inventory. The result by using SQL is you will have a real-time update. For example, today I want to see how much is my stock balance. Maybe I'm selling pen. I want to see how many pens I have. Straight away, I open the report and take a look. I want to see my total sales up to date. I want to see my profit and loss up to date. You can see everything, but provided you need to key in up to date as well your data entry. Improve your sales and collections turnover. You can, from your aging report, you were able to see who still owe you money. Straight away, you can pick up the call to call the person in charge, say maybe, hey, Mr. A, you owe me about 10,000. When you want to pay me the money, you can send them the statement of account and they will make payment to you and you can offset from the system and move on to the next one. The quick recall for all the information, you just click a button, like just now I mentioned for the aging report, you can retrieve everything all in one and increase your efficiency. No need to go and search, where is my report, where is this and that, who is the company A in charge, everything in one glance. The accounting software that just fit your business. Run your business as a team effortlessly. Now we are talking about digitalize. We are in a digitalized era. We want everything automation. By having our SQL accounting software, it really automate a lot of your process. So the next one, we have a sales module. From here you can see we do have a quotation, sales order, invoice, credit note, DO, cash sales, and SQL post. This one we'll talk about later. Start from a quotation. You can have the process flow start from quotation to sales order to invoice, or quotation, sales order, DO to invoice, or straight away just want to issue invoice also can. We're not restricted that it's a must to start from quotation, then to sales order, to DO, to invoice, the normal SOP. You can skip the step. So let's move to the next one. Purchase module. Same thing, we have purchase requisition, purchase order, purchase invoice, and also good receive note. You can skip any of the step, that no need to go for the PR to PO, then go to PI. Straight away you can enter PI as well. And it will automatically link to your control account, which is your AP. And this will be the sales invoice entering, I would say the entering screen, that you can select the customer first and add item, whether it's a service item or it's a inventory item. And this is what I mentioned just now, the user defined field. All these fields, right, you still can add on more field than what you want. And also we do have a running document number by different set. Maybe you will have a local and overseas sales invoice running number is different. You can set different running number. For example, OS for overseas sales. Local, it can be local sales, maybe start from LS. Okay. And we do support multiple language. For example, we support English, Bahasa Malaysia, and also Chinese is traditional and it simply fight Chinese, and also Thailand and etc. as well. So, if you ask me, do you have a cloud system for SQL? I would say yes, we do have SQL cloud that let you to access from outside, maybe your home, maybe you're overseas, you were able to access to your SQL through our SQL cloud. To find out more, you can give us a call to understand more about the SQL cloud as well. Thank you for today for your time. Contact us to know about more, and this is our website and this is our number. Give us a call. Thank you.